is November 3rd, 2025. Definitely a weird unit. Valent. Thermocouple. That's not looking good. I gotta change that. I gotta change that thermocouple. It's all burnt. I wonder if I can get it out. A weird unit. Fill up screws, a couple of screws in here. I can get this. The pilot should come out of there. Pilot assembly. Thing's flipping cooked. These fried chicken. I think I gotta get a longer one. Gotta get a 36 inch out of the truck. I gotta get a longer one. Yeah, 36, that'll work. The screws there, but I'm gonna put the longer one in there. screws back and them nuts back on there. Wouldn't have ran like that. Pilot wouldn't have went on. That's probably why they're calling me. Make sure you get that started properly. You don't want to cluster with this. A little thermocouple. Put this back on. The sparker. I should be able to set this, the pilot, by hitting this clicker. Boy, quite the flame in there. See if it stays on. Should be able to fire it right here. Pilot staying on. Like the unit. You want to turn up your thermostat?
What do you want me to turn it up to?
So it runs.
Okay.
Higher than the room temperature.
I'm sorry, one more time?
What's the temperature in the house?
60.
Alright, turn it up to 65.
Okay.
It's got a basement zone here. I want to check that one too. Oh, this one even fucking batteries must be dead. Looks like it's out of batteries. You want me to put batteries in it?
Sure. I don't really use it, but...
You don't use it?
Not really.
Okay.
But I can put batteries in it.
Yeah,
go ahead, put batteries in it. Don't matter.
It's not going to work unless you got batteries in it.
Okay.
I like to check it before I go.
Alright, yeah. What kind of batteries? We just do double A?
Double A's.
Yeah, I'll bring a couple of them.
Needs double A. This one needs double A batteries. It's dead. Yeah, the thermocouple was bad on it. Let me show you.
Okay. I don't know what that means, but okay.
I don't know if you can see it, but the thing's all burnt on the end there.
Okay.
See the hole in the
Yeah.
end?
Mm-hmm.
That's what the pilot sends us this to keep it running. The pilot was out
Okay.
and it's melted, so I had to put a new one in.
All right, thank you.
It's running now, I can hear it. The pilot was out, it wouldn't have ran like the way it was.
Oh, I'm glad I called you, right?
Good thing you called me, because it wouldn't have worked. Yeah, see, now it's coming on. So if it ever goes like that, except for 72, what do you want to set to 70? Just for now, and then we can shut it off.
Yeah.
I just want to make sure. If the screen ever goes dead like that, that means that the batteries are bad.
All right.
Same thing upstairs.
Okay.
I don't know if that one is
I
okay.
changed that one not that long ago.
Okay, so that should be fine.
Is there anything else you need?
Well, so far this is the first. This is the first floor.
Okay. You
That's first, and this is the basement. Basement and first. He's running. Little unit. Just want to make sure it works before I go. Well, she's running. He's a runner. Yeah, I changed the battery in the basement one. They're both working. This is the basement one, but we're just gonna leave this for 65. If you don't use it, she said, I'll leave it off. The basement. Alright, new thermocouple, new batteries in basement, T-stat, labeled zone valves.